The lawn care business owner's secret to an effective day. Hey everyone, my name's Jacob Godar and I'm the owner of Scooter's Lawn Care. And this channel helps contractors deliver and clients experience a luxurious everyday life through property transformations. If you like the sound of that, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button for this video. Also, if you're a contractor, make sure to check out jacobgodar.com. There's a ton of useful resources on there that will help you grow your business. So let's get right into it. This is something I've been focusing on for a long time. How to have an effective day, the secret to have an effective day. And why I think this is important is because I've been trying to hone in on this for the past few years. You know, you can mull around and be looking for things to do and the day can just get away from you and you never really achieve much. And that's not pushing you towards your purposes and your goals and getting what you want out of life. And I think that is so important to remember. So I'm always using this day in and day out, looking at what I'm doing to be honing in on how to have a really effective day, to be able to produce more for my family and the people around me and more for the clients, to help grow the business that has been so awesome to us and to grow anything else we get involved with. The number one most important thing, the secret sauce that I have done has been coming up with a plan. Here it is, right here, my day planner. I write my goals and I write my plan for the day. Now, that doesn't mean it's exact, that doesn't mean it's perfect, that doesn't mean that I write the plan out and it actually happens. Right now, I'm actually on schedule. This is my time to shoot some YouTube videos and to do some content creation. And so today it's working, but tomorrow there may be a fire. Tomorrow there may be something that happens, but having that plan that you set out in the morning on how you're shooting to attack your day and using it as a base guide. Given that things will happen, there will be variables, but it'll keep you on point to be more productive. The other part about this is when you're going through this, you need to be thinking about the most important things. What are the levers that really affect change in what you're heading towards? What levers really builds purpose in what you're doing, And once you find those 2 or 3 things, they need to be the hot points that you really focus on, the things that, everything else could change, but I'm gonna get this one thing or these 2 things done during the day because they have a huge effect. And listing that out, but then also having some areas in your schedule where if something goes awry, I'll still have time to do this at a different time have been huge. So planning it out and having those big goals, those big things, those big targets for the day that you're working on will change how effective you are dramatically. Another thing to focus about this though is as the fires come up, the more and more I work, and it's not perfect, it's really easy to get involved in anything all the time, but is to look at what's going on and try to be focusing on what's affecting long term and then not worry as much about the little immediate fires, because a lot of little immediate fires are just that. They're minor, they're tiny, they feel hot right now because it's happening, but they're not as important as the big things that are affecting long term, and you need to be thinking about that as you're planning to have an effective day. And the final thing, now this isn't something that you do every day, this is something that I try to do once a week, and this is something I got from a Tony Robbins conference that we went to, and someone was talking about it, and that is creating something called thinking time. That is one time throughout the week, getting a half an hour of just time to truly be able to think about all the things that are going on, what is important, what needs to get done, without messages popping up or reminders or this or that, and taking down notes. And this will help you with all this daily effectiveness, because that's the time, even though it doesn't seem like much, if it's only 30 minutes or an hour throughout the week, that will really, really, truly help you build, plan, and think about your future. So those are some of the secrets to having a super effective day for me that I have done that have really helped me build and pushing my business forward, pushing everything in my life forward, and becoming a better business owner and entrepreneur. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. Leave some comments that you have for having an effective day. Let me know if any of these might work or help you in your business or in your life and your family. And also make sure you hit that like button. I enjoyed shooting this video and spending some time with you. I'll see you soon.